1 M6 times 12 screw. M8 multiplied by 20 screws for PCs, 2 T-pins. 1 steel ball. 2 cotter pins. 5 mm bushings for 2. 1 oblique buckle pliers. 5 mm hexagon 1. An electric wrench. Step 1. First, we put the steel balls into the top of the cylinder. The rod body is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees. Then put it on top of the frame. The swing arm snaps into the socket card slot. Step 2. Insert the T-pin. Step 3. Install cotter pins. Step 4. Install the protective cover. Step 5. Tighten the top screw of the cylinder. Instructions. Power supply voltage display, passcode switch, turtle speed button. Accelerator, lift switch, horn, key switches, charging port, password unlocking. Forward and backward. Up and down. We will automatically stop after reaching the top.